short story of Mr. Croco, right?
Yes.
So this is Mr. Croco. Say hello to Mr. Croco. Yes. Do you know Mr. Croco is a crocodile and he's always hungry. He's always
Hungry.
But do you know what the crocodile eats? The crocodile only eats numbers. What does the crocodile eat? Numbers. But the crocodile only loves to eat the big numbers. What numbers the crocodile eats?
Big number.
He loves to eat only the big numbers. Yes. So whenever he sees big numbers, he opens his mouth and he eats. Got it? Yes. But when both numbers are same, then the crocodile do not eat and make a sign like this. Which sign is this? This is equal to sign. Which sign? Yes. When both numbers are same, the crocodile makes this sign. This is equal to sign. Yes. But when the crocodile sees the big number, the crocodile opens the mouth and eats the big number and turn its back towards the small number. Got it? Now, can you all see? Harjas is having some stars and Veronica is also having some stars. So who's having more stars? Veronica is having more stars and Harjas is having less stars. Harjas is having. So can you Vianshi tell me the crocodile will eat what? Yes. Oh, wonderful. The crocodile will eat more stars. The crocodile will eat. Got it? Is it clear? Children here, can you see? Divyan is having how many pencils? And Gulnoz is having more pencils. So now Advik, tell me the crocodile will eat. Oh, wonderful. Yes, the crocodile will eat more pencils. Very good. Children, can you see which number Inaya is having? Tell me. And which number is Zorawar having? Now, when both the numbers are same, which sign is going to come? Who will tell me? Jumset? Shows like this, beta, like this. Come here in between. Yes. So which sign will come when both numbers are same? Equal to sign. Which sign is this? Wonderful. Clap for them. So now Gurrahmat, can you see the numbers in their hands? Okay, now can you tell me Mr. Croco is going to eat which number? Now come on, pick up Mr. Croco. Yes. Wonderful. And now tell me why Croco is going to eat 9? Because 9 is a big number. Very good. Clap for her. Niharika, can you see Eric and Suditya holding 2 numbers? Now just pick up Mr. Croco and tell us which number Mr. Croco would like to eat. Come on, yes. 10. Okay, pick up Mr. Croco. Yes. Very good. Clap for Niharika. Shiv, can you see the numbers? Just check the numbers एक बार देखो. Yes. What number? Both numbers are same or different? Same. So which sign will come? Pick up. Which is the equal to sign? Yes. Hold it correctly the other side. Check both the numbers. Yes. Now tell me which sign will come. Pick up. Which sign will come? Yes. Clap for Shabek. Anaya, can you tell me? Can you see both the numbers? Just check both the numbers. Yes. What number is it? Same numbers. Very good. So which sign will come, Bitu? Yes. Can you pick up? Can you please pick up? Pick up the sign. Which is the equal to sign? Which is the equal to? Wonderful. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Sama, can you see few numbers are kept on the floor? Now tell me which number Mr. Croco is going to eat and put the correct sign. Pick up the sign. Yes. And put the sign in the middle. Very good. Now Shivanya, now see the next numbers. See the next number and tell me which sign will come. Very good. Pick up the equal to sign. Yes. Very good. Now, Rahmat, see the next numbers, beta. See the next numbers. What are the numbers? 2 and 7. Pick up the sign. Yes. Tell me Mr. Croco will eat which number? Very good. Clap for them. Adya, can you see the numbers? What numbers are these? What number? Which number are those on the floor, beta? Very good. Now can you put the sign? Which number Mr. Croco is going to eat? Why 3? Yes, very good. 3 is a big number. Pick up the sign. Pick up Mr. Croco. Yes, yes, put it. Very good. Now next Ayan, see the next numbers. Which sign will come? Okay, so which number Mr. Croco is going to eat? Okay, why 8? Q 8? Very good. Now pick up the sign. The next numbers. Now tell me which sign will come. Very good. Equal to. Can you put it? Very good, Devik. Ashwin, can you check both the numbers? Now tell me which number Mr. Croco is going to eat. 6. Why 6? Yes, 6 is a big number. Now pick up the correct sign of greater. Yes. Very good. Gurnaz, baby, check both the numbers in their hands. Yes. Now tell me, which is the smaller, lesser number? Which is the lesser number? 1. And which is the greater number? 3. Now pick up the correct symbol. Yes. Correct sign. And show it. Yes. The Croco's mouth will open towards which number? Why 3? Very good. 3 is a big number. Clap for Kashvi, baby, check both the numbers in their hands. See the numbers? 10 and in, yes, 10. Now tell me which sign will come. Pick up the sign. Which sign will come? Which sign is this, Kashvi? Equal to. Which sign is this? Equal to. Why equal to? Because both numbers are same. Both numbers are